struggling with insomnia? Here is the natural cure you've been missing. If you're one of the millions battling insomnia, you know how exhausting it can be. Lying awake in the middle of the night, watching the clock tick, and knowing you'll be exhausted the next day, it's a frustrating cycle. But here is the catch. Many people don't realize that overcoming insomnia doesn't require sleeping pills or drastic measures. In fact, natural solutions can often be more effective and sustainable. So, what's the secret to overcoming insomnia naturally? Let's explore how you can reclaim restful sleep without resorting to medication. The problem: why isn't sleeping naturally easy? Stress, anxiety, and modern distractions often make sleep feel elusive. But it's not just the big factors. Our habits, environment, and even your diet could be contributing to your sleeplessness. The real challenge is that most people don't understand how their daily choices impact their ability to sleep soundly. It's easy to fall into the trap of poor sleep habits, late night screen time, heavy meals before bed, and inconsistent sleep schedules. These things might seem harmless at first, but over time, they disrupt your natural sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Plus, your body becomes more reliant on these habits, making it even harder to break free. The solution: natural ways to overcome insomnia. Set a consistent sleep schedule. The first step to overcoming insomnia is to regulate your internal clock. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps your body know when it's time to sleep, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. Create a restful sleep environment. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Consider blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out distractions. The ideal environment will signal your brain that it's time to relax. Wind down with relaxation techniques. Incorporate calming rituals before bed to signal your body it's time to wind down. Light stretching, meditation, reading, or listening to soothing music can all help you relax and prepare for sleep. Avoid stimulating activities like checking emails or watching intense shows. Mind your diet. What you eat plays a significant role in your sleep. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals in the evening, as they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Opt for sleep-friendly foods like bananas, almonds, or herbal teas such as chamomile, which are known for their calming effects. Get daylight exposure. Your body's internal clock is heavily influenced by natural light. Spend time outside during the day, especially in the morning, to help reset your circadian rhythm and improve your sleep-wake cycle. Imagine waking up refreshed, with energy to take on the day. It's not a dream, it's a reality that achieved naturally. Start implementing these simple tips tonight and discover the secret to restful, restorative sleep.